Welcome to Flux Reach, and thank you for being here with us today as we explore the world of ChatGPT and generative artificial intelligence for the United Kingdom market. This video is created to guide you step by step through practical and responsible uses of artificial intelligence tools. Our goal is to help creators, marketers, and learners grow their skills with confidence. Everything shared here is designed to follow platform rules and ethical standards. We are excited to have you as part of this learning journey. Generative artificial intelligence is technology that can create text, images, and ideas based on learned patterns from large data sources. Tools like ChatGPT assist users by organizing thoughts and generating structured content. These tools do not replace creativity but support it. When guided properly, they help improve clarity and consistency. Understanding how they work is the first step to using them effectively. The United Kingdom audience values clear communication, accuracy, and a respectful tone. Content that feels genuine and informative performs better than content that sounds exaggerated. Spelling, wording, and cultural references should align with local expectations. Artificial intelligence can support this when prompts are written with care. This helps ensure the message feels natural and relatable. ChatGPT is especially useful during the planning phase of content creation. It can help generate video ideas, blog topics, and content outlines. Creators can explore different angles before choosing the best direction. This saves time and encourages structured thinking. The final creative decision always remains with the creator. Writing content with ChatGPT requires clear and detailed instructions. The quality of the output depends on the quality of the input. When you explain your goal, audience, and tone, the results improve significantly. This is particularly important for United Kingdom-focused content. Clear guidance leads to better alignment with audience expectations. Artificial intelligence can support market research by summarizing common trends and themes. It can help identify frequently discussed topics within an industry. This allows creators to understand what audiences care about most. For the United Kingdom market, this means focusing on local interests and challenges. Research should always be reviewed and verified by the creator. ChatGPT can assist in writing scripts that sound conversational and engaging. It helps organize ideas into a logical flow. This is useful for educational videos and explainers. The creator can then refine the language to match their personal style. This approach keeps the content authentic and original. For copywriting, artificial intelligence can help improve clarity and structure. It can rewrite sentences to sound more polished while keeping the original meaning. This is helpful for descriptions, introductions, and calls to action. The key is to review and adjust the output carefully. Human judgment ensures the message remains accurate and responsible. When creating content for the United Kingdom audience, tone matters a great deal. Content should feel informative rather than promotional. Artificial intelligence can help maintain a balanced and professional voice. It also helps avoid overly complex language. This makes the content accessible to a wider audience. Using ChatGPT for brainstorming encourages creative thinking. One important rule is always reviewing artificial intelligence output before publishing. These tools support creativity but are not perfect. Human review ensures accuracy and clarity. It also helps avoid misunderstandings or errors. Responsible creators always check their final work. Ethical use of artificial intelligence is essential for long-term success. Content should always aim to inform and add value. Avoid misleading claims or exaggerated promises. Transparency builds trust with your audience. Following platform policies protects your channel. Artificial intelligence can support productivity without sacrificing quality. It helps creators focus more on ideas and storytelling. Routine tasks become easier to manage. This allows more time for creativity and audience interaction. Balance is the key to effective use. As your skills grow, your prompts will become more refined. Better prompts lead to better results. Learning through practice is the most effective approach. Over time, you will understand how to guide these tools more precisely. This leads to consistent content improvement. Building a strong content strategy takes time and patience. Artificial intelligence is a support tool, not a shortcut. Success comes from consistency and learning. Use feedback from your audience to improve. Growth happens step by step. Artificial intelligence tools continue to evolve and improve. Staying informed helps creators adapt responsibly. Learning new features can open creative possibilities. Always focus on value and clarity. This keeps your content relevant and trusted.